So now that I've pulled my light down, I'm just going to cut around this inner rim with the ceiling paint. It's a pretty straight. The painting part's actually a pretty straightforward part. It's getting everything ready and everything prepped. So that's the first coat. I'll come back, I'll roll this, and then I'll come back and I'll be doing a second coat because the ceiling needs 2 coats. This is the base to the dining room light, and I've decided not to pull it off. If I removed those 2 cap screws on the top, I'd have to remove the whole thing, and I don't want to do that. So you can see that what I did is I just taped around it. Now remember, when you tape around something like this, make sure the tape is just on the object that you're trying to protect. Make sure you don't roll it up onto the wall. All right, so I cut around the ceiling. Remember, this was where we took down the canopy cover because it came off real easy. Okay, and then I just painted around it. So we're going to paint around all the pendants, all the cam lights, smoke detectors, again, anything that's on the ceiling. And then once that's all done, we'll start to roll the ceiling, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so this, you see I cut around the light here, and you'll notice that I'm not cutting along the edge of the ceiling yet. I'm going to do that last. So I'm going to cut around all the lights, smoke detectors. I'm going to roll the ceiling up to about this edge. Then I'm going to paint the walls. I'm going to finish the walls, and then I'm going to create a line that looks like this. So this is what the end product looks like. So you'll see that I want to create that line, but not until I get the ceiling rolled and then the walls finished. This is kind of one of my trademarks. I like that nice little fine line that comes across the top. It creates nice clean transition between the ceiling and the wall color. And I think it just looks a lot better. It's really, corner to corner cuts are just really difficult. So I think that this looks a lot better. So if you like the way that I'm showing you that 1/8 inch drop down, then do it this way.